Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious homemade peanut butter and jam. This classic combination is a comforting treat that is surprisingly simple to prepare right in your own kitchen. You will only need a few basic ingredients and some common kitchen tools to create this delightful snack. Let's get started by gathering everything we need for our culinary adventure. Now, let's focus on making that creamy peanut butter. Take about 2 cups of roasted peanuts and place them into your food processor. Begin processing, and you will notice the peanuts go through several stages, from crumbs to a thick paste. Scrape down the sides often. After about 3 to 5 minutes, the natural oils will release, transforming it into a wonderfully smooth and spreadable butter. Add a half teaspoon of salt for flavor. With your homemade peanut butter ready, it is time to assemble the star of the show, your perfect peanut butter and jam sandwich. Select 2 slices of your favorite bread, perhaps a soft white or a hearty whole wheat. On one slice, spread a generous, thick layer of that freshly made, creamy peanut butter. On the other slice, apply a delightful amount of your chosen jam or preserve. Gently bring the 2 halves together, and there you have it. Now for the best part, enjoying your freshly made peanut butter and jam sandwich. This simple yet satisfying treat is perfect for a quick snack or a comforting meal. For any leftover homemade peanut butter, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 2 weeks. Remember to keep your jam refrigerated as well. Savor every bite of this timeless and delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.